present or past. Study, remove, defeat, kill, arrest, continue, declare, search, capture, gather, die, end. The example: study, studied. Okay. Match the similar meaning. Match the similar meaning. Hurt, column A, hurt, drowsy, ray, collect, branch, gentlest. Column B, beam, gather, sleepy, kindest, harm. Hurt. Hurt similar means harm. Put not in these sentences. Put not. The tree is tall. The tree is tall. Second bit. A lamb is docile. It is a nice day. It is a beautiful garden. It is a lovely doll. It is a fine building. It is a useful book. He is a student. Okay? He is a student. Let's do the answer. The tree is tall. The tree is not tall. Okay? The tree is not tall. Okay. Let's do the exercise.